SaleHoo helps you find the best dropshipping products by providing a directory of over 2 million verified suppliers. Use SaleHoo's product research tool to filter by niche, profit margins, aim for 30, 50 plus percent, and supplier reliability. Input keywords related to products you are interested in selling. The tool will generate lists of vetted products with pricing, stock levels, and customer reviews. Focus on low competition niches with high demand, using data-driven insights to avoid oversaturated markets. Recent enhancements include AI-driven tools for product discovery, which analyze real-time market trends. Prioritize suppliers with ratings for reliability and fast shipping times. SaleHoo's built-in tools analyze Google Trends, social media buzz, and competitor data to identify emerging niches like eco-friendly products or trending items. The platform integrates with Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce for automated order syncing, streamlining your e-commerce operations. Features like automated pricing adjustments and inventory tracking help maintain profitability by keeping your store competitive and stocked. Use the profit calculators to estimate net profits, factoring in transaction fees and other costs for accurate financial planning. Look for products from suppliers offering fair trade or recycled materials, meeting consumer demands for transparency and ethical sourcing. SaleHoo's AI tools analyze product trends and predict future market spikes, saving you time on research and helping you stay ahead.